Hey, I'm Sarah at Missouri Star, and I just had a fun crochet short for you. This is a really quick and easy project that makes a great decoration. You can see it hanging up behind me here. It kind of looks like classic old popcorn and cranberry garland that you might put on your tree, but we're going to make it with yarn and beads. So what I've got is a double strand of any worsted weight yarn that you like. This is Skippy's stone washed, and it's just got kind of this buttery white color that reminds me of popcorn. I've got double strands. I'm gonna make a slip knot, and then you're gonna need 2 size crochet hooks for this. I've got a J hook, that's a 6mm, and a B hook, that's a 2mm. And you're gonna need some of these fantastic little red beads. Let me show you how we do it. You're gonna put that slip knot on your J hook. You're gonna chain 3, and you're gonna make a bobble. So a bobble is yarn over into that first chain you made, bring up a loop, make sure it's nice and loose, and then you're gonna do that 3 more times. Yarn over, back into that first chain, bring up a loop, yarn over, back into that first chain, bring up a loop. That gives you a nice big chunky pile of yarn. You're going to yarn over and pull through all of it. Then you're going to yarn over and chain 1. Then you're going to bring that loop up nice and big. You're going to take your smaller hook and you're going to put a bead on that hook. You're going to grab that big loop that you made and pull the yarn through your bead. Then you go back to your big hook, tighten it up, chain 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and start the whole thing over again. Yarn over into that 3rd chain from your hook, yarn over and bring up a loop, make sure it's nice and loose. Do that 3 more times, 2, 3 for 4 of those. Give it a wiggle, yarn over, pull through everything, chain 1, make that loop nice and big, put a bead on your hook, grab that yarn and pull it through your bead. Tighten up that loop and repeat. Make sure you visit MissouriQuiltCo.com. We've got kits where you can grab the yarn and the beads all in one go and have so much fun decorating this holiday season. Happy crocheting! Thanks so much for stitching along with us on this Missouri Star yarn loving tutorial. If you haven't yet, you want to click that bell and subscribe and become part of the Missouri Star family and make sure that you never miss another tutorial. You never know, you might make your next favorite project.